Hello everyone, and excuse me. Welcome back to Stuff Reviews. So sorry about that. So today we received a GoPro suction cup. Of course I purchased it online on eBay, and this is my first time ever buying one of these. I got it at a good price, and you know, I have always wanted to buy one of these. I have one, but it is a like a generic version of a suction cup. Let me see if I can get that for you guys really quick. I should have it somewhere in my backpack. Yep. So this is it. This is somewhat the generic version, and I have actually used this one outside on a vehicle, so it does suction pretty good. But with that being said, you do have to clean the surface really well, because if it catches dirt, this thing will fall off or fly off, one of the two. So we're gonna compare the cheaper version with the GoPro one, because these run about you know, anywhere from $2 to $8 each, and it does come with a different attachment. This one I just put my GoPro attachment on it. So let's unbox this. And of course you guys know that with all my videos, we will be going to review the product eventually, and you know, the longevity of it, and you know, I'm just going to be honest about what happens with the products. I'm not going to be here to lie about them or anything like that, because I think as a consumer, you know, it would be nice to know this stuff. Now, of course, a lot of things fail, and so, you know, we can't say, oh, okay, well, you know, a certain product is no good, it broke on me and that's it. You know, unfortunately, that is life, you know, and sometimes these things in general, you know, might break and stuff like that. Anyway, so here it is, guys, the GoPro, the true official GoPro suction cup. So I'm pretty excited about this. I will be trying this out and doing some tests with it, and I'm looking at this here, just kind of taking a quick glance. You unscrew it here, and it goes up. You can hear the clicks, so you can adjust it to whatever you want, and then you just tighten it up. And here you unscrew this a little bit, and it gives you the flexibility to do this or do that. So we can, you know, somewhat match it to the generic one. Now, mind you, this is side-by-side comparison. So this is the GoPro one, this is a generic one, and right off the bat you can see that the GoPro one is a lot bigger just by this bottom part. And you know, this one came with this attachment right here. So I'll be looking into what to put on here on another video, because I really don't know. This is my first time ever purchasing one of these. Also, if I may say, the clip to actually suction it, this one's a little, you know, smaller. Oh, by the way, this is a same top brand, and this one, it's different. This one, you do this, you press it, and then it suctions. So when you want to take it off, let me do this. You just go back. So I'm guessing you press it like this, and then I'm guessing you go back like that. So to undo it, you come forward with this, and then it lets go of the suction. So again, to activate it, you press, and then go back on it. Just a reminder, when you're doing this, try not to, you know, lift it, because back here you see you have a little bit of this little piece so that you can take it off the vehicle or the windshield, whatever you're using it for. So anyways, basically you start off like this, push it, hold it down that way, hold it down, you know, wherever you're gonna install it, do this, and suction is pretty good, pretty solid there. It's actually even moving the table. So then, you know, to uninstall it from wherever you put it on, you go back like that. Now this one, the way you install this one is just push it down like this and down, and this one has the same suction too. Pretty good. So anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. Maybe I will title it comparison and unboxing of GoPro and comparison of these products, so that way you guys can get an idea of what it's like on these suction cups. So that's pretty much it. Back here it doesn't really say much. It just says cars, boats, motorcycles, and more, proven at speeds of 150 miles per hour plus. And this has been seen on some car videos that I have seen, that they take them to the track. You know, they do 200 mile per hour runs, and this GoPro suction cup actually holds. So reminder here, the most important thing I think is maximum hold strength attached to a clean surface. So yeah guys, anytime that you put a suction cup on a car, make sure you clean the surface really good, and then go ahead and install your suction cup, because if not, warning, you know, it will come off. So anyways, that's it for today guys, for today's video. Hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Thank you all for stopping by. And this is I called it, I changed the channel name to E-Man Reviews Everything just temporarily. We'll see what I come up with. So thank you guys, have a good one.